6 delicious chicken wings recipes you can easily pull off at home. Chicken wings in an air fryer. Air fryers crisp wings without oil. Season as desired. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes for reliable and easy results. Chicken wings on the grill. Brine wings overnight in beer, then grill 7 to 10 minutes per side, brushing on buffalo sauce for flavorful charred results. Chicken wings in the oven. Coat wings in oil and rub. Marinate if possible, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes until skin is crispy. Chicken wings in a slow cooker. Cook wings in slow cooker for 2.5 to 3 hours, then broil briefly to crisp the skin for better texture. Chicken wings in the smoker. Apply a paprika, oregano, and garlic powder rub. Smoke wings at 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour, then grill briefly. Chicken wings in a pan. Sear wings over high heat for a few minutes per side, then cover and cook on low flame, flipping occasionally.